The 2015 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, power lift gate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.